How to install the NVIDIA DLSS 4 for the Unreal 5.5. So first of all, you will have to go to the page and download here in this page. Where is it? Over here. You will have to go to this page and download the plugin for your version. In our case, this is Unreal Engine 5.5. So I have already downloaded it and unzipped it. So basically, if you will unzip it, you will get this folder. You will get over here. So first of all, we will have to copy the plugins from the plugin folder into the plugin folder of the Unreal Engine. So for this, we have to go to the, in my case, basically, into the disk C, program files, Epic Games, Unreal 5.5. As you can see, I have different versions of Unreal installed over here. So basically, depending on your version of Unreal which you use, then we are going to the engine, plugins, and into the marketplace over here. So this is very easy. You just copy all of those plugins. You copy them over here. Copy. Done. So I'm closing both of those folders. And then we will have to restart, because I guess that if we'll search for the, immediately we'll search for the NVIDIA over here, NVIDIA DLSS, I guess it will not show. Yes, it is not showing nothing. Oh, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so then you go into the plugins and you're searching for the NVIDIA DLSS. And very important is to copy this with this vertical line, because with this vertical dash. Why? Because after that you will be able to find all of them. You will see all of those plugins. So you have to enable all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you already use the DLSS into your Unreal version and you will need to update it, after that you need to enable also this one, the NVIDIA Streamline. If you didn't use it, you don't have to enable this. So in total, we have the we have the 7 plugins enabled. Then I'm just clicking the button Restart Now, and it will restart the Unreal version for me. So we are waiting for the restart. And as you can see, basically everything is done. So it is restarted, and our plugins are, I'll paste it again. They all are enabled and everything is done. So basically that's it.